you know what that means. Yes, of course, warmer weather, blooming flowers once the rain is gone, but also spring cleaning. We're here live with Adila Santos from A360 Cleaning. She's going to tell us all about how we can get our homes, office spaces ready for the warmer weather. Thank you so much for joining us.
You're welcome. My pleasure. I'm happy to be here.
Tell us a little bit about your business, A360 Cleaning. You've been around for close to 20 years.
Yes, almost 20 years. We have been helping busy moms or older people who just don't have the time or are looking for that free extra time with, cleaning the houses.
And we know, obviously, you do cleaning all year round, but this is the busy season for you.
Yes, exactly. Everybody's ready to have that freshness, clean all the corners. So this is the perfect timing for my business.
Well, let's talk a little bit about, it might be obvious, but what's the difference between a cleaning job that people might be able to do themselves versus the type of job that you can do?
It's professionally cleaning. We're not just gonna skip corners. We're gonna do everything that, like A360, the name of my company is to provide that idea of having your whole house clean. It's not just one room, but like as you can see, professional, we're gonna do all details.
Yeah, like I will tell you right now, I definitely don't clean my fan.
I know.
Get some dust coming out.
Exactly. We have to take all bacteria, germs, and places that you normally don't pay attention to it, because we are busy and we have so much to do in our daily basis.
Real attention to detail. So obviously people can call you for a big all-around spring cleaning, but you also, I know you have clients that you do on a weekly basis as well.
Exactly. We also offer regular cleaning, move-in, move-outs, or a deep cleaning of your house. We like to serve our clients as of what they need.
And moving in, moving out is a big deal because that can actually affect people's money, the money that they're getting back, right, from landlords if it's messy.
Exactly, because you're going to transform the way your house look.
And so tell us how you hire. I know you obviously have a lot of people working for you. How do you vet people? Because, if someone's coming into their home, they want to know that they're vetted. And I know you take that very seriously.
Exactly, we do. All my team crews, they have background check. They have training and also monthly training, not just one time. And as you can look at my Google's review, everybody talk about my team, my crews. So I'm really happy. We do take that very seriously because we know that you want to make sure who is coming into your house and feel secure about that.
Yeah, and what I think is great, you wrote this into us, that one of your clients, one of your regular clients, refers to you guys as her fairies.
I know, yeah, that brings warm to my heart. She would say, oh, look at my two fairies. They work magic in my house. And this is how she would talk about us to her friends. So when I was looking for a logo idea, I decided to bring this into my company. It's this joy that I provide to my clients.
Yeah, it's really a great way to give time back to people, right? To spend with family, friends. They work hard, they want the weekends back. You take that off their plate. Exactly.
This is also something I like to always talk to my clients is, it's not because you don't know how to do it or you can't do it. It's because what would you rather do? What would you rather do? Go outside and play with your kids, or go on a date with your husband, or if you're an older couple, take that time away with your husband, or you want to spend cleaning. So it's for people who knows and understand that nowadays time is more valuable than money.
Absolutely. I couldn't agree more. Adila Santos from A360 Cleaning, thank you so much. We'll have your website right here, a360cleaningservice.com. We'll have more on our website as well, WTNH.com. Don't go anywhere. Still to come here on Connecticut.